We are thrilled to announce that AS Engineers is now an ISO-certified company. We've always taken pride in our manufacturing excellence. This ISO 9001:2015 certification reaffirms our unwavering commitment to quality and excellence in everything we do. At AS Engineers, we take pride in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, equipped with cutting-edge technology. Our commitment extends beyond manufacturing. We offer unparalleled pre- and post-sales services to ensure our customers' satisfaction. What does this mean for you? ISO 9001:2015 certified quality, highly competitive prices, expedite delivery of orders, efficient pre- and post-sales services, customization expertise. We've built our reputation on customer satisfaction and delivering solutions that surpass expectations. Join us in celebrating this milestone and experiencing the AS Engineers difference firsthand. For inquiries or to explore our services, visit our website at theasengineers.com and contact us.